Let me tell you about the properties of Google Pixel 7a, which is launched recently. So the front camera is 6.2 pixel with a resolution power of 1000 multiplied 2400. The back camera is 64 megapixel with 2460 pascals, 8 GB ROM, and with a battery life of 4384 ampere per minute, and its price is goes $469. If you want to buy 8 GB RAM with 20 uh, 20 28 128 GB ROM, so its price is goes $469. The display size is 6.1 inches and it is 90 centimeter with a ratio. Resolution is 1006 by 2400 pixels, 20 ratio 9. Protections is Corning Gorilla Glass 3 always on display. And the platform is Android 13, chipset Google Tensor G2 Octa Core. CPU is octa-core 2 by 2.84 GHz Cortex-X1.
Artlist.io